Hello everyone, and in this video today I'm going to share you that IGCER memory based question of mechanical engineering branch that has been conducted on 23rd October. That means today. On the day I am recording the video on evening shift, that means 2 to 4 p.m. So there were total 75 questions were there, and here I have written 20, and there are some 2 to 3 questions. So totally 20 questions I'm sharing with you here, and maybe a part 2 or part 3 of this video will come as soon as I uh, remember, as soon as I recall the more questions. So first of all, let me tell you the level of the questions and difficulty level of the paper. So there were total 75 questions, as I already told you, but there was no calculator. So many of you have thought that there will be theoretical questions, but there was numericals. The level of the numerical is as on gate, or you can say that one step below the gate, or more or less gate type, but without calci. So some questions like where you have to apply log, natural log, or lengthy calculations were there, e power, exponential power, that. So that questions you have to skip that. Okay. So let us start. So first question that was around spring deflection comparison. Like two springs were given and some similarity, like mean diameter, wire diameter, material material was given the same, but the total number of turns were different, and the deflection. And next, if you talk about, then there were 3 to 4 gate previous year question around 2018 and 2019 without any data change. So that was the plus point on evening shift. Next, there was one numerical based on combined conduction and convection heat transfer and overall heat transfer coefficient. In that question, overall heat transfer coefficient was given, and the conductance resistance of uh, cylinder that we have to find, and outside heat transfer coefficient is given, and we have to find inside heat transfer coefficient. And I hope many of students have left this question. Next, numerical based on PERT. There was the optimistic time, pessimist time, and most likely time was given. We have to find the total expected time, draw the network, find out the critical path, and we have to find the standard deviation, or you can say that yes, standard deviation of critical path. So that was the numerical. Next, there was a one question from matrix that we have to find the three system of equations were given, and we have to find whether they have a unique solution or no solution or multiple solution. Next, if we talk about mechanical vibration, then there was a one simple numerical, and there was one calculative. We have to find the damping ratio based on K and M value is given, and some damping factor based on the graph. That was the one question. Next, there was one LMTD based numerical. The type of heat exchanger is given, heat capacity of the two fluid is given, and one temperature was unknown and three temperature is given. So you, from heat balance, you have to find the first temperature and then LMTD. Next, if we talk about production, so there were most of the theoretical part from production, especially in metal cutting. Metal cutting, there were some theoretical parts, and in one resistance welding numerical was there, and there were some welding portion also. Theory questions were there. Next, machine design, or you can say that strength of material. One question of finding out factor of safety based on Goodman criteria. So, and all the data is given. Next, there were two questions based on torsional equation, that T by J is equal to tau by R is equal to G theta by L. Okay, and one is flexural equation. There were two question based on that formula. Next, there were one question to find out the support reaction of simply supported beam with uniformly varying load. That was the easiest question. Next, if we talk about, then there were 2 to 3 engineering mechanics question. One is a path, a project, sorry, a point or object's trajectory is given and in x and y direction, and we have to find velocity. And one question is that like a sphere is rolling without slipping, and we have to find the mu. And one question was based on impact and collision. Next, if we talk about, then there are forced vortex motion numerical, that we have to find a pressure at the 0.6 meter from the radius at the total pressure at the bottom. Then next, there was a one simple numerical, sorry, theory question of multi-rotor system, that if you convert that equivalent diameter, then what will be the equivalent diameter? That there are different diameters and different shafts are given, and if and rotors are attached. So we have to convert equivalent diameter. So that was on MCQ. And from theory of machine portion, there was one question based on types of pair, and one simple numerical MCQs were there. If we talk about fluid mechanics section, then there was one question based on Bernoulli equation. We have to find first heat loss and apply Bernoulli equation, and we have to find pressure difference. So that was easy question. One question from Kaplan turbine, but if you have calculator, then you could attend in better way. So hope you guys attempted. Otherwise, nothing to worry about it. If we talk about mathematics, then there was one question of differential equation of second order and one question of Laplace also. And last but not the least, there was one question of Newton's law of viscosity. You have to find the power. First, we have to find tau is equal to mu du by dy. Then from that shear stress, we have to find force and then multiply with velocity. So you will get power. So these are some questions that are that were in today's exam in evening shift. As soon as I as soon as I will get more questions, I will upload in part 2 or part 3 form. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and all the best for upcoming exams.